waterfall. The colors are warm, natural tones, with varying shades of green, brown, and beige. The overall mood is serene and relaxing. Stone steps lead up to a small structure with a light gray door. The fence surrounding the area is dark gray wood. A sprawling outdoor pool area, showcasing a tranquil oasis. The scene is sunny, hyper-realistic, and imbued with a serene impressionist quality. A large rectangular swimming pool, a vibrant turquoise hue, sits within a paved patio of light beige and taupe stone tiles. The pool's edges feature shallow steps leading down into the water. Multiple contemporary, light gray metal lounge chairs with tan cushions are positioned along the patio, offering relaxation by the pool. A covered patio with a light beige exterior and a dark brown metal roof overhangs the pool area. Large windows provide views of lush landscaping. The surrounding greenery includes tall palm trees and tropical plants. A spacious outdoor patio area, hyper-realistic, with a modern gray sectional sofa set positioned in front of a lush vertical garden wall. The wall is constructed of a wooden lattice, densely filled with various tropical plants and greenery, in shades of deep forest green, light emerald, and deep jungle tones. Soft, warm, ambient lighting illuminates the plants and accents the lush aesthetic. The plants include ferns, palms, bromeliads, and various leafy foliage. The sofa is a muted gray, with lighter cream-colored cushions, accented with a light taupe throw blanket on the seating area. A low, light gray wooden coffee table sits in the center of the patio area. A vibrant outdoor seating area nestled amongst lush tropical foliage. The setting is a garden or patio, shaded by large palm trees and other tropical plants, with dappled sunlight filtering through. The scene is impressionistic, capturing the mood of a relaxed, vibrant atmosphere. The colors are bold and diverse, featuring a mix of warm and cool tones, bright yellows, oranges, reds, blues, and greens. The furniture is woven wicker, in a light brown tone, and is covered with colorful, patterned fabrics. Stripes and intricate embroidery on cushions give it a bohemian or ethnic feel. The cushions have a variety of patterns and colors, creating a lively visual contrast against the wicker. A vibrant outdoor courtyard space with colorful graffiti murals. The walls are adorned with a mix of bold, abstract graffiti art in bright, contrasting colors like pinks, yellows, blues, oranges, and greens. Large-scale murals display stylized figures and elaborate designs. The courtyard has a paved stone floor that casts strong shadows from the large trees. Outdoor furniture, including orange and mustard yellow rounded lounge chairs and vibrant teal blue and mustard yellow square ottomans, are strategically placed. White metal benches are also present. A modern building structure using a light tan/stone color is seen in the background with large windows. A modern, open-air patio dining area, seamlessly integrated with a contemporary white-walled home. Large, rectangular, light gray stone paving stones cover the patio floor. A light gray, concrete table with black metal chairs sits centrally. The dining table is long, featuring a minimalist design, with light beige cushioned chairs that match the color palette of the outdoor lounge area. A large, light beige and gray-toned woven rattan-style outdoor furniture set is positioned outside the dining area, complemented by beige cushions. The home's architecture is modern and sleek, with a large expanse of glass framing the indoors and outdoors. A vibrant, colorful outdoor patio scene. The setting is a tropical, lush garden courtyard, enclosed by a modern gray house with orange sliding glass doors. The scene is vibrant and detailed, leaning towards hyperrealism, aiming for accurate representation of textures and lighting. Focus on the colorful outdoor furniture, a variety of brightly colored lounge chairs, a long coral orange sectional sofa with matching throw pillows in bold prints and colors, yellows, blues, oranges, greens. There are also round side tables, woven seating, and a large round concrete coffee table. The textiles feature bold patterns and vibrant colors like coral, orange, teal, yellow, turquoise, and deep blues. A bright, sunny outdoor patio conservatory with large glass sliding doors and a glass roof. Full view of a lush green garden with mature trees and hedges surrounding the patio area, providing a tranquil setting. The patio is furnished with light beige wicker furniture, including a couch, armchairs, and a glass coffee table. The furniture has soft, light beige cushions and decorative patterned throw pillows. Various potted plants, adding vibrant greenery and color to the scene. The flooring is light gray stone or tile. The conservatory structure is dark gray metal, creating a modern yet welcoming atmosphere. A serene, meticulously designed Japanese garden nestled within a modern wooden home. Hyper-realistic rendering showcasing a spacious indoor-outdoor living space. Large sliding glass doors open to a zen garden with meticulously raked gravel, miniature pine trees, and large, smooth river rocks. Warm, natural wooden decking and walkways seamlessly connect indoor and sections. Gray, comfortable outdoor furniture and a dining table set with natural toned wooden chairs and small round tables. Plants in various pots are strategically placed throughout the balcony, including a living wall. Green roof gardens extend below the balcony. Impressionistic style, natural light, calm, outdoor living space. Warm tones for the wood, dark accents for the stone and furniture. A mix of light and shadow. Clear sky with some clouds, indicating a partly cloudy day. A modern, zen-like patio area, hyper-realistic, with a large wall of lush, green foliage. Warm, golden string lights are interwoven with the plants. Dark gray concrete floors and walls. A low platform with dark gray cushions/pillows is set amidst the greenery. Large sliding glass doors reveal a lush outdoor scene of full, green trees. Wooden built-in shelving, displaying potted plants, sits against the dark gray wall. Soft, warm lighting. Small, stone pathway accents with green grass planted in between. Multiple large poofs/cushions provide seating. The overall impression is of a peaceful, nature-filled sanctuary. A modern, contemporary, and lushly green home with a large outdoor living space. Hyper-realistic rendering of a contemporary house with a dark gray/black exterior, featuring expansive floor-to-ceiling glass windows and a large, wooden deck. The house is fully integrated with greenery, vertical gardens, climbing vines, and potted plants cover walls, roofs, and balconies. Natural wood accents are present throughout the interior and exterior. The house interior shows a light-filled, open-concept living/dining area. Relaxation furniture is visible outdoors with light gray and beige cushions on sun loungers, and light-toned tables and chairs. A dark-colored swimming pool is adjacent to the house. A modern, luxurious balcony overlooking a city skyline. Hyper-realistic rendering of a condo balcony with a vertical garden wall of lush greenery. Dark gray concrete/stone exterior walls, warm wooden decking, and comfortable dark gray lounge chairs and chaise lounges are arranged for relaxing. A master bedroom is visible through sliding glass doors, featuring a bed with warm, earthy tones and a repeating plant wall design. The city view is a vibrant mix of tall modern buildings and lush green trees. Soft, ambient lighting throughout, highlighting the vertical garden and the interior space. Focus on natural light and shadow, emphasizing a peaceful, urban oasis. Impressionistic colors with depth and realism. A modern, minimalist, hyper-realistic exterior view of a multi-story home with a large, open-air deck. The deck is made of light brown wooden planks, furnished with a round fire pit in the center surrounded by two light gray, modern lounge seating cushions. The home is dark gray/charcoal-colored concrete with large sliding glass doors overlooking a bedroom and a living area with a warm, golden-toned wall. Full-length glass railings surround the upper-level balconies. The view from the deck is of a tropical, lush green landscape, with various plants and trees, and a backdrop of tall modern high-rise buildings. The scene is lit with ambient lighting, highlighting the warm tones of the interior and the warmth of the fire pit. There are potted plants and greenery on the deck as well as along the base of the structure. A sunny, outdoor balcony setting, showcasing a wooden planter box filled with various herbs and plants. The planter box is a light tan, warm wood, mounted on a wooden deck. The planters within the box are dark gray or black. Different types of leafy greens, bushy herbs, and a cluster of reddish-orange flowers are visible in the pots. Plants are vibrant, lush, and full of life. The balcony has a view of a leafy green landscape through a large window or glass panel. A mid-century modern-style dark brown chair with a light beige cushion is positioned in the background, adding depth to the scene. The wood of the deck and planter box is detailed, showing the natural wood grain. The light is bright and even, casting soft shadows. A sunny balcony oasis, hyper-realistic. Wooden deck with warm honey-brown planks, bathed in sunlight casting long shadows. Dark gray metal railing and chairs. Lush green plants, ferns, flowers, orange and red blossoms, and potted greenery fill the balcony, creating a botanical garden feel. View of a cityscape with tall buildings, trees, and a soft pastel sunrise/sunset glow in the background. Glass doors open onto a bedroom interior, with beige curtains and the subtle light of the room visible through them. The balcony is a section of a modern apartment building with a rich wood-toned, sloped ceiling. Warm, natural light. A luxurious, modern, urban rooftop patio. Hyper-realistic rendering. Large, floor-to-ceiling glass doors open to a spacious living area with a king-sized bed visible inside, reflecting the city view. The patio features a contemporary sectional sofa in a warm, caramel brown tone, accented with beige and cream throw pillows. A large, dark gray stone coffee table sits between the seating area. Sleek, dark gray armchairs and seating nooks complement the sectional's design. The city skyline, a mix of tall modern buildings and greenery, stretches out behind the patio in soft, golden hour light. Plants of various types, palm trees, leafy greens, and potted vegetation add natural depth to the space. A modern, expansive high-rise balcony overlooking a cityscape and river. Hyper-realistic. A large section of the balcony is a light brown wooden deck, furnished with a gray sectional sofa, a gray ottoman, and a small side table. A lush, vertical garden of greenery is integrated into the balcony's design, contributing to a verdant aesthetic. The balcony has a glass railing extending from the edge providing full views of the city and river below, while large sliding glass doors seamlessly connect the balcony to a bedroom. The bedroom features a bed with light beige bedding. The balcony wall is a warm, dark wood. The city skyline in the background is a mix of modern and traditional architecture, with various tan, gray, and white buildings. A spacious, high-rise balcony at dusk, overlooking a cityscape. Hyper-realistic style. Warm, golden hour lighting bathes the scene, highlighting the rich wood tones of the interior and the dark, modern furniture on the balcony. The balcony is decked with a wooden floor, lush green plants, and comfortable lounge chairs. 2 lounge chairs are positioned on the balcony, upholstered in a dark gray fabric. The soft glow of warm lights from